Hello, friends. Welcome back to Flavors on My Juan. I owe an apology to my dear audience. It's been so long since I have posted a video, and it has been because of the health issues in my home due to COVID, but we are all okay now. So, here I am today going to share with you a recipe of Baingan ka Bharta, which is very easy and very simple to make. As with all my recipes, I like my recipes to be very simple and easy. So let's watch how to make it. Now, in order to make this recipe, in this Bagan Kaparta, I've taken around 4 brinjals. Yes, and I'm going to basically roast them. So these are medium-sized brinjals, and I'm going to roast it directly on my stove. There are several ways you can also roast it in your oven, but I feel this way gives you a kind of a smoky effect, which I will not achieve from the oven. See, you need to keep turning around. Use your tongs because, of course, you can't use your finger. And since my burner is small, I cannot accommodate 2 brinjals at a time. So I've chosen to roast my brinjal one by one. Now, while my brinjals are good roasting, I've chopped onions and coriander leaves, and I have a lemon. Going back to my brinjal, see, this is almost done. It is roasted and it should be like this. And once it gets roasted, it becomes really light. It sort of, it becomes really light. And it loses its or should I say the mass, and it becomes really light, and it becomes really easy to cut it. Now you can see it's very easy to just cut it, and you can open it's still hot, but and you can see inside how it looks. So we just need to scrape off the white part of this. It's going to scrape off in another bowl. You can comes off really easily, but like you see, it has reduced completely. So like one big brinjal has reduced to this much amount. And you see how cleanly I'm able to do this. And I'm going to do the same with the other brinjal. And yes, I have in total 4 brinjals, and I'm doing 2 at a time. So I roasted 2 first, and then I'm going to scrape off them, and then the remaining 2, and then move ahead with it. The skin actually peels off really easily, very simply. It's not a it's very simple. This recipe, this similar concept. This similar recipe is used to make different Mediterranean dishes, such as mutabbil also, and different parts of the world, different parts I think of the Middle East. Also, it's the same concept that you use to create to make mutabbil, but this is our Indian version of making. Bagan ka bharta. This is our Indian version of it. And in someday, for sure, I will teach you how to make mutabal also. That tastes absolutely delicious. And similarly, even baba ganoush, you make it the same way. Like you just roast your brinjal. In all of these dishes, a roasting of brinjal is the key. The roasting of eggplant, and once you know this, it's not really difficult. Similarly, I'm just fast forwarding this part of doing. It's the same way as I've done others. I'm going to just go scrape off all the brinjal off the roasted brinjal or the eggplant. And although it is like 4 brinjals, it came out to be only very little. The quantity was really less, and it's yeah. So here I have just placed it in another bowl, another clean bowl. I'm adding salt as per taste. I've added half teaspoon, and I'm just adding a couple of handful of onions. I had chopped, I had shown two onions, but of course I didn't use the whole onion. I just used a couple of handful of onions and of coriander leaves, and I'm going to take juice of half a lemon, and that's it. This is how this is ready to serve, and it goes really well with a lot of dishes. I'm adding here green chilies as per um, and that is as per your discretion how much you want to add green chilies. I think I have added around 4 green chilies, but it's entirely up to you. If you have children eating at home, then you can of course reduce the number. This is my Baingan ka bharta, which is ready, which is really easy, simple to make. Like I've always said, my dishes are really simple, and I'm so glad to be back to my YouTube. It has been such a long time, and it's been a really tough time for these past months. Alhamdulillah, everything is back to normal, and I'm glad I'm back to normal. I hope you like this video. I hope that you will watch this video and share with your friends. Do not forget to share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye bye.